Jai Srimanarayana. 26th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Vedaham samatitani vartamanani cha Arjuna भविष्यानि च भूतानि मान्तु वेद न कश्चन। ॐ Realize and always remember that only Sri Krishna Paramatma knows about you very well. Sri Krishna Paramatma knows about your past, present and future because He is situated within you. Try to remember this fact at least once in a day and try to learn about Sri Krishna Paramatma more and more. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry, Mamekam Saranam Vraja, Ma Suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall always remember that you knows about me very well and you are within me. I shall try to remember this fact once in a day at least and try to learn about you more and more. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanantava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalaya Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra Yam Pravrajantamanupeta Krutyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhava Putreti Tanmayataya Taravobhineduhu Tam Sarvabhuta Hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 10th Skandham 45th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Devaki Devi praying to Sriman Narayana who is born to her and who is in the form of a small boy, and saying that, Hey Bhagavan, the time which is divided like minutes, seconds, hours, years, the entire time is like your body. Bhagavan, you are an embodiment of all auspiciousness. O Deva, anyone, wherever they run away, they cannot get rid of Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. But Tvat Padabjam Prapya Edruchaya Adya Sustaha Sete mrityurasmatapayati. Now you have born here. Seeing you, the death itself is running away from you. Because of your anugraham, those who surrender to you, they are now with extreme amount of peace of mind, they are sleeping. Hey Bhagavan, you are the one who removes the fear of all the devotees. Now I am praying you to remove the fear of Kamsa now. We are scared of Kamsa now. You please remove that one. Your Divyamangala Vigraham is seen by such great Maharshis. Vonti Nilchi Purana Yogulu Yoga Marga Nirudhulai Kanti Manduru. All the great Maharshis in their tapasya, they visualize your Divya Mangala Vigraham. But Ma Pratyaksham Mam Sadrusam Krushishtaha. You please do not show your Divya Mangala Vigraham to those who want to see with their bodily eyes. Like that, Devaki Devi praying to Sriman Narayana. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 26th sloka. Vedaham samatitani vartamanani charjuna bhavishyani cha bhutani mantu vedana kaschana. Vedaham samatitani vartamanani charjuna bhavishyani cha bhutani mantu vedana kaschana. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.